Hi everyone, welcome to part 3 of the Introduction to StatCrunch. In chapter 9 we're discussing calculating confidence interval for the proportion. So we're going to look at problem 63 of chapter 9, and we're told that 90% of companies in Canada in the chemical industry are ISO 1400 certified. Now, an environmental group wants to estimate the percentage of U.S. chemical companies that are ISO 14001 certified. Of the 550 chemical companies sampled, 385 are certified, and we're asked to calculate the 95% confidence interval. So I'm just going to write here in this first column our successes, and that's 385, and then in our second column, all right, our total of companies surveyed, which was 550. So we go up to stat, proportion stat, one sample. And I'm going to choose with summary. If you had a whole set of raw data, you would choose with data, but we're going to choose summary. Our number of successes, 385. Those are the companies that were certified. Number of observations, number of companies that responded, 550. We go down here and we select confidence interval for the proportion. It's already in 0.95. If we had a different confidence interval, we could click in there and change the confidence interval. And then we're going to select compute down here in the lower right hand. And there you are. And you can see that it gives you the proportion, which is 0.70, standard error, and the upper limit and the lower limit of the confidence level. So we see that 66.2% is the confidence interval is between 66.2 and 73.8% of the chemical companies in the U.S. that are certified. And we know that 90% of companies in Canada in the chemical industry are certified, so the U.S. proportion is lower. And that's all there is to it. You can go in and save this to your My Results, which we did in the first video. We can also edit it and have the data calculated out into the table here. And you can cut and paste that as well. So we would just select that. We do a Control C because I'm on a PC, or you would go Command C if you're on a Mac. And then you can go into an Excel or a Word spreadsheet, and I already did it. But I will do Control, well actually you can just right click and you can paste. You can just paste regularly. And it's all done. So we'll go back into StatCrunch, and that's all there is to it. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact your tutors. We're here to help you.